Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 3, week number 3. This is our next level Frankie moves class. This is our Frankie month, you know, at Swing in Seattle. We're celebrating the ambassador of Lindy Hop. One of Frankie's iconic steps, the slip slop. The slip slop looks something like this. It can go slip, step, slop, and step. Look at that one more time. 7, 8, 1, and 2. We can also play around with the direction of it, pushing it to the front or then to the back. That could look like hey ho. Here we go. Slip, step, slop, and step. In the swing out, those look like this. Step, step, triple step, 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 slip, step, slop, and step. Triple step, 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 slip, step, slop, and step. Replacing the last triple in the next rock step. We also took a look at this. We put Susie Q into the mix when we were right to right going rock step, triple step, invitation, Susie Q. Around we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and there it is. From here, we have the arm roll into the step over, and that looks like rock, step, triple step, step over together, shimmy, 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 and there it is. Week number 3. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.